Hello traders, welcome to this video on the price action AHA indicator for MT4. In this video, we'll look at how this indicator marks price action signals on the chart, what they imply, and who this tool suits. At this point, I'm going to load the indicator on the chart so you see how it looks in real time. Just going to allow DLL imports. Alright, if you look very closely, you can see how it appears on the charts. The price action AHA indicator scans the price chart for specific price action formations and marks them directly on the candlestick chart with labels or visual markers. In this case, the yellow circles, if you look closely, you see them like here, here, and here as well. AHA stands for a recognition of moments when price transitions or creates a notable structural pattern. Identified setups are labeled on the relevant candle or bar, giving traders a clear reference point for where the signal has formed. The visual marking implies that a specific price action condition, such as a reversal candle, engulfing pattern, or structural shift, has been detected by the indicator's internal logic. Let's take a look at what settings are available rather. Right, for our inputs, we have alerts, history, pin bars, noise ratio, body ratio, and the rest of that. They're all here. We can also choose our preferred colors for the visual markers, and we can trade on our preferred time frames as well. So, who's this indicator for? This indicator shows price action traders who want automated detection of key chart formations without manually scanning every candle. It works across any pair and time frame on MT4. It is a visual detection tool only. It does not execute trades. Pattern detection is automated and may not align with every trader's manual pattern criteria. Confirmation from context, structure, and trend is essential. The download link is in the description below. Visit the Forex Geek for more free tools. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.